Hi everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on navigating the Cricut canvas. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each of the features so you can design with confidence. Let's get started. When you open the Cricut design space, the canvas is where all the magic happens. This is your workspace for designing, customizing, and preparing projects before cutting. Let's break down the key features. At the top, we have the toolbar. Here you'll find essential tools like undo, redo, as well as the options to resize your image, rotate, and align your designs if you ever feel the need to find the placement for your design. If you ever make a mistake, don't panic, just hit undo and go back a step. On the left, we have the design panel. This is where you can add new elements to your project. Let's go over each option briefly. New project right here is where you can start fresh with a blank canvas. Templates is where you can choose from preset templates to visualize designs on items like shirts or mugs. Projects is where you can browse pre-made Cricut projects for inspiration. Shapes is where you can add simple shapes like circles, squares, or stars. Images is where you can search the Cricut library for graphics and clip art. Then we have text, where you can insert and customize text for your design. We have the monogram feature. And then you have the upload, where you can import your own SVG, PNG, or JPG files. Next up, the layers panel on the right side. This is where you manage all the pieces of your design. Think of it like layers in a cake. Each element is separate, but they work together to create the final product. Here you can adjust visibility, group or ungroup layers, and change operation types like cut, draw, or print then cut. On top of your canvas, you'll also have the editing toolbar. On here is where I can change my font type. If I want my font to be bold, I can change that format. I can change the font size, spacing of the letters, the line space if I have multiple lines for my text, if I have multiple words within text, having the alignment if I want it centered. If I need the text to curve, I can also do that with my text. And then I also have the feature where I can ungroup the letters, so if I need to scatter them in different parts or working on just highlighting the different features and making sure that each letter is a different color, I can also ungroup those colors. And it allows for me to align multiple items easily and also just to focus on individual letters as well. If you want to cut all of your red shapes on the same mat, what you can do is make sure that in your operation bar in the top, right here we have our basic cut. I can choose to decide if I want to have it a basic cut, and I'm going to select for that color to be blue. And then I'm going to decide, okay, I want my text to be a basic cut when I load it onto my Cricut mat. And this will say that my mat, any items that are blue are going to be within that same mat. I can also decide rather than having it be cut out, I can choose if I want the text to be drawn with a pen, if I plan on having it be foiled or scored. There's also another feature where you can print then cut as well, which also is a great feature for just making it a little bit more detailed in the work that you're creating. Once your design is ready, you're going to click Make. This will take you to the preview screen where you can arrange your design on your cutting mats. You can choose the materials and you can also load it into your Cricut for cutting. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate Cricut Canvas like a pro. The best way to learn is to explore and experiment, so go ahead and create something amazing. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Cricut tips. Happy crafting!